All right, so made the ring, right? Here it is soldered inside, okay, all the way through. Kind of had extra, as I pointed out earlier, which, you know, for beginners that happens. So don't use a whole bunch, okay? Like I said, this is what happens when you use a whole bunch. You don't heat evenly, it goes all over the place, okay? Now, what you can do now, after you have this into the ring shape, right? It was kind of squished. You're gonna use your ring sizer. Put it down, so this is about a 15-ish, 14 and 3/4, 15. Big old ring, right? It's not gonna be nicely as fit. You're gonna take your little hammer and hit it around to form your ring, okay? Then once you have it like that, sand it down, right? Hand sand it, file it if you needed to. You should have done most of the work beforehand, so this should just be filing touches. We'll pull out some of extra tools that you guys will be able to use to really get this polished up and cleaned up, and that's your first ring. Then, to make your bezel part, which is this little stone, you'll have to get a stone, which we have, measure the circumference around your stone, solder that little tiny piece, and then we're going to have to attach that to this. Hopefully that all makes sense, and if you have any questions, we'll ask them.